The Mazda CX-80 is a three-row SUV designed primarily for the European market, emphasizing Mazda's signature blend of performance, refined design, and luxury. The CX-80 production line is part of Mazda's push to bring larger, more premium models to its lineup. While specific production details haven't been publicly detailed, it's produced on Mazda's new, large product group platform, which is also used for models like the CX-60. This platform is key to integrating more powerful engine configurations, including plug-in hybrid and inline-six options that reflect Mazda's commitment to fuel efficiency and low emissions. Mazda's approach to building the CX-80 emphasizes a mix of advanced robotics and hands-on craftsmanship. Known for its Kodo design philosophy, aiming to capture movement and elegance, the CX-80's assembly likely involves high-precision robotic arms for consistent quality and human touchpoints for finishing details, ensuring a premium feel. Attention to paintwork and finishes is a priority, especially in the final stages, where Mazda often goes through a detailed inspection to achieve the brand's hallmark aesthetic. The vehicle's core structure supports new safety and tech features as well, with Mazda's iActive Sense technology package included. This could involve custom fitting each model with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and other safety-focused tech directly on the production line. The CX-80 production line is also likely tuned for quality control measures that emphasize structural integrity and attention to environmental standards, aligning with Mazda's sustainability goals. This mix of robotic and manual production, along with quality checks and environmental care, sets the CX-80 line apart, focusing on crafting a vehicle that meets luxury SUV expectations while retaining Mazda's commitment to driving pleasure and quality.